Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Jain gravy. Start by preparing a nut cream base from soaked cashews or almonds and set it aside. Heat oil, add asafoetida and whole spices, then temper turmeric and mild chilies carefully. Combine vegetable stock with the nut cream, simmer gently until thickened, and finish with fresh cilantro and a squeeze of lime for brightness before serving with rotis or steamed rice. Begin by gathering all ingredients and soaking 1 cup of cashews for a smooth cream. Chop permitted vegetables into even pieces so they cook uniformly. Toast coriander and cumin lightly to unlock aroma without browning them. Blend soaked cashews with warm stock to create a creamy slurry. Keep seasoning simple and adjust salt gradually while simmering to achieve a balanced, delicate gravy that complements subtle Jain flavors and textures. Heat oil over medium-low heat and add a pinch of asafoetida and whole spices for a gentle tempering. Sauté vegetables briefly to soften, but keep their color and texture intact. Stir in the nut cream gradually to prevent lumps and reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Cook slowly to meld flavors, stirring occasionally until the gravy reaches a velvety consistency, then finish with a light squeeze of lime and fresh cilantro for balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.